Hi, my name is Alan Diwan and I am the chef and owner of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village. And the next dish we're going to make is pilau rice. We're going to make pilau rice with green peas. This is just a very basic and simple recipe. You can take it to whichever direction you want it to take it to from here. You can add some garlic ginger if you want to add to this pilau, which will again enhance the flavor. You can add onions to it, or you can just leave them out and keep it very simple, as I'm going to do. You can add you can add some nuts to it, cashew nuts and almonds, pistachios if you want. You can add raisins or dried fruits to make it even more richer. But now what we're doing is a very simple recipe, and we want to add about 5-6 tablespoons of oil. That's about it. Rice does need a lot of oil because we want the oil to absorb all the flavors from the spices and impart it to the rice. So we just wait for a minute or so for the oil to heat up slightly, and then make sure that the oil is very hot before you put your spices into it, because if it's not hot enough, then the spices instead of releasing their aromas, they won't release it in the right manner, and it won't be the right aroma that we want from the spices to come out. So almost ready.